DRPS2.
Technological College Program Offerings for Second Semester Academic Year 2025-2026. Bachelor of Engineering Technology, major in Automotive Technology, Electronic Technology, or Electrical Technology. Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Food and Service Management or Computer Hardware Servicing. Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. Bachelor of Science and Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science and Business Administration, Bachelor of Science and Information Technology. Also, Segera accepts enrollees who are non-education graduates and aiming to earn 18 units of professional education. Methods of teaching that would enable them to take the PRC's licensure examination for teachers. Under DepEd, Senior High School, Grade 11 and 12, Academic Track, Accountancy, Business Management, ABM strands. General Academic strand, GUS. Humanities and Social Sciences, UM strands. Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Automotive Servicing, NC1, Automotive Servicing, NC2, Computer System Servicing, NC2, Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing, NC2, Electrical Installation and Maintenance, NC2, Masonry, NC2, and Tile Setting, NC2. Segera Technological College offers free tuition, school uniform, PE uniform, textbooks, ID with ID lace, transportation within the radius of 6 kilometers from the school site. Segera Scholarship Program like Segera Marching Band Scholarship, CTC Majoret, Segera Barangay Officials Scholarship and cash discounts. Other scholarship program. For more information, please see the registrar of Segera Technological College or call telephone number 299-2224 or 299-7434 or CP numbers 0921-8459871 and 0939-411-7718. Our email address segerairiga@gmail.com, or you may direct inquiries to Senior High School Office, CP number 0917-117-1098 and 0915-323-9096, or email address ctcseniorhighschool@gmail.com. Segera Technological Colleges. Enroll now.